Hey guys, welcome back to Heavy Lies the Crown. Back with another one. Before anything, don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video, put the notification bell there, and let's get it. Just like the title says, 4 games for PlayStation 4 for $45, man. Let's get it. Okay, the first game right here we picked up for Black Friday is Fallout 4. This game came back way back when, 2015. And the next pickup is a collection. Okay, 3 games in one, guys. 3 games in one. Detroit Become Human, Heavy Rain, and Beyond Two Souls, with Ellen Page being the main character. Okay, guys, this was a steal. Basically, I got this from Walmart, guys. Okay, Walmart. Okay, guys, trust me, I'm saying the same thing. Yeah, Walmart. Okay, so this was a steal, guys. These are the 3 games here. It tells you how much gigs you need. It's around roughly 45 gigs each game. Each is 1 player, except for Beyond Two Souls is 1 to 2 players. Okay, so just remember, these games, guys, are basically for people who just want to mellow out, relax on the couch, don't want to push a lot of buttons, you know. Some games like Spider-Man or GTA, you're holding down buttons, you're pushing buttons. Some people don't want to do that, so they play these games, just want to relax, in the mood to just relax. And it's story games, mystery and suspense. So yeah, so let's get this paper plastic out the way, and here we are, unboxed. This collection, $30 basically. Okay, and you get 3 games, 3 PlayStation 4 games, guys, for $30. That is the best deal. If PlayStation sold games like that, oh my god, everybody will be on PlayStation right now. So yeah, Detroit Become Human. This game requires you to play as 3 different characters in the game. And yeah, that's the side view right now. This is the front. Let's open it up. No paper, no booklet, nothing. You don't come with nothing. It's just the game right there. Yeah, so let's put that down. Move on to the next one. This is Heavy Rain, Beyond Two Souls. I don't know if you guys ever played these games. If you have, leave it in the comment. Let me know if you liked it, disliked it. Let me know. I want to hear from you guys. I want to know if you guys also play these kind of games. Does these kind of games interest you? Let me know. I want to know. See, this case comes with 2 discs, Heavy Rain and Beyond Two Souls. And yeah, PlayStation. This is a collection, man. 3 games right there. We already have 3 games for $30. Okay, have you guys ever got 3 games for $30 for Black Friday? I don't know. Let me know though if you have. Next game here, let's take the plastic off. This game, I played it when it first came out, and trust me, this game is masterpiece game, Fallout 4. If you guys haven't played it, highly recommend you guys play it. The world is unbelievable, the atmosphere, the things that happen, anything could happen, things around you, every step of the way is happening. It's always something to do. The story is, oh my goodness, no wonder game of the year. Let's open this bad boy up. You have the CD there, the disc, and we have some papers here, some season pass, pamphlet papers. We have it both in French and English. We also have survival guides, both French, English. So yeah, this is what comes in Fallout 4. I also want to know, guys, leave it in the comments if you guys even read those pamphlets. those survival guides. You guys sit there and read those PlayStation 4, Xbox, even when it comes to little pamphlets like this. You guys open it up, read all those getting started, let's get it. No, I don't read it. But if you do read it, let me know. I want to know if you guys really read these things, okay? Because kudos to you guys, okay? Let me like your comment, because I want to meet you people. You guys are awesome. Yeah, so this is what you get, man. All this and a bag of chips for $45. Can't go wrong. Walmart. It's Walmart. No GameStop for all you Americans, or EB Games for all you Canadians. Okay, none of that. Walmart. 4 games for $45 on PlayStation 4. Let's get it.